Okay, so on US30, we can see that price is in an overall uptrend on the daily time frame. Okay, now if we zoom out, we will notice that price has been trading within a channel, an up channel. Okay, so before the market closed last week, price rejected this support zone of the channel and then it's going back up. Okay, so there's a tendency that price will continue shooting up until it gets to this resistance zone, okay, before selling off again. So this is actually what we have on the daily time frame. Okay, so let us go down to the 4 hours time frame to see uh clearly what we have on US30 for this week. Nice. Okay. So on the 4 hours time frame, on the 4 hours time frame, we have one of my most favorable patterns to trade. Okay. You can see price formed triple bottom at this area. Okay, we have a bottom at this point, another bottom, okay, and the third bottom at this area. Okay, now after price formed this triple bottom, we can see a break of the structure of the bullish structure. Okay, and now currently price has returned back to the neckline of the structure. Okay, so this is a flip zone because price used this area as a support, resistance. Okay, and now currently price is using this area as a support. Okay, so price has actually dropped and tested and also rejected this area. So what I'll be looking at for this week is for price, I'll be looking at for an entry on the lower time frame, like the 15 minutes time frame, okay, to buy this asset. And then I'll be looking out for a break of this resistance trend line. So on a break of this resistance trend line, we can add more positions and then we take our final take profit on this flip area. Okay, yes, on a daily time frame, we anticipated that price will get to this area. Okay, so once price gets to this flip zone, we, depending on what the market does at this area, we will see if we can, add more positions or take profit on our earlier positions from this area, from this level. Okay, so this is what I'm looking out for on the on US30 on the 4 hours time frame, but I'm not going to be taking my entry on the 4 hours time frame. Okay, so I think aside from this falling wedge, this is a falling wedge structure on a support area on a flip zone. So there is a tendency that price will reject this area and shoot up to this flip zone. Okay, but aside from this, I think we have other factors of confluence, like if we take out our flip tool and we drag from this bottom to the top, we will notice that price uh, is, or rather, price has tested the 0.618 fib retracement level, okay, which is a wonderful additional confluence to, to support that the market, that price will continue, that this asset will continue shooting up. Okay, so that is actually what we have on the 4 hours time frame. So but before I take this trade, I will go down to the 1 hour time frame, 15 minutes time frame, to look out for a better entry, okay, before taking this trade. Okay, so so this is what we have on the 1 hour time frame. Okay, we might most likely see the market dropping down, okay, to this area. The market might drop down, okay, and give us a bigger double bottom structure, okay, then before breaking out of this falling wedge or a down channel structure, and then continue shooting up. So I'll be looking out for something like this. Let us put it so. I'm coming. Sorry. All right. Just a little bit patient, please. Okay. So if you take the flip tool and we drag from this bottom, okay, to this top, okay, you will notice that my 0.618 fib retracement level is somewhere around this black horizontal ray. Okay, so what I'll be looking out for on Monday, or once the market resume, is for price to drop down to this area, to this 0.618 fib level. Okay, and then I will wait for price to, do its thing. Okay, just allow price to drop down to the level and most likely, go below the level. Okay, so now once price returns back and start close and close above the 0.618 fib retracement level, I will be, taking my first position, and then I'll have my stop just a few pips below this area. Okay, and so this is actually what I'm looking out for on US30 on the 1 hour time frame. I will be waiting for price to drop down to this black horizontal ray, which is in line with the 0.61 8 fib retracement level. Okay, so once price drops below and then start going back above the area, I will take my entry once price close above the 0.618, so which is somewhere around 34993.5. Once price close above this area, drops below and close above the area, I'm going to be taking my buy trade, and I'm going to hold this position until we get to this flip zone we saw on the 4 hours time frame. So this is what I'm looking out for on US30. I strongly believe that you must have learned 18 or 2 from this. You can as well go down to the 15 minutes time frame to refine your entry. Okay, so look out for an entry, okay, that will be able to suit your account size and your risk management. Okay, so that is so this is my area of entry. Wait for price to drop down, do its thing. Okay, now once price start going back above this area, I'm going to take a buy trade, and we hold on down to this area. We hold until price gets to this flip zone we saw in the 4 hours time frame. So that is it, guys. Thank you all for your time.